In this question, you are asked to integrate 2 by 1 plus x into 1 plus x square. So these type of questions can be solved using partial fractions. So first what I do is, before solving this question, I'll try to split this into partial fractions. So 2 by x plus 1 times x square plus 1 is nothing but, so the partial fractions has a by x plus 1 plus, corresponding to this quadratic, you have bx plus c by x square plus 1. Now as we have seen, this a can be found out using the shortcut. So to find a, you just need to put x is equal to minus 1. So if you put x is equal to minus 1, you get 2 by minus 1 whole square plus 1 is 2. So a is equal to 1. So a is equal to 1. So 1 by x plus 1 plus bx plus c by x square plus 1 are the partial fractions. So you need to find b and c. So to do that, let us take the LCM. X plus 1 times x square plus 1. So x square plus 1 plus bx plus c times x plus 1. So that is equal to x square times 1 plus b plus x times, you have bx plus cx, that is b plus c, plus 1 plus c by x square plus 1 times x plus 1. So if you compare these two, so in the LHS, so the number in the numerator is just 2, that is, there is only constant term. You don't have an x square term, you don't have an x term. So x square term is equal to 0, so 1 plus b is equal to 0, b is equal to minus 1, and x term is also equal to 0, that is b plus c is equal to 0, c is equal to minus b, which is equal to plus 1. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 1. So the partial fractions are 1 by x plus 1 plus bx plus c, b is minus 1, so minus x plus 1 by x square plus 1. So once you have these partial fractions, so this integration can be transformed as integration of 1 by x plus 1 plus 1 minus x by 1 plus x square dx. So now this integration can be fairly easily done. So integration of 1 by x plus 1 is ln mod x plus 1, and this is linear by quadratic. So we know how to integrate linear by quadratic. So first what I do is integration of, so I'll try to convert this linear into alpha times differentiation of denominator plus some beta. So 1 plus x squares differentiation is 2x, but you need a minus x here, so I'll multiply it with minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square dx. So that is equal to minus 1 by 2 times differentiation by function, that is log 1 plus x square, plus 1 by 1 plus x square's integration is tan inverse x plus c. So effectively the final integration, the final answer is nothing but we have ln mod x plus 1 minus half ln 1 plus x square plus tan inverse of x plus c. So this is the required integration of this integral.